Sycamore leaf cure, which is not well known by the public, was used as an alternative medicine method in ancient years. Stating that the sycamore leaf cure provides great benefit in reducing calcification in every part of the body, experts say that if consumed regularly and correctly, the pain will be alleviated. Especially Professor Dr. Here are the details about the sycamore leaf cure recommended by Ibrahim Saraçoğlu. Noting that herbal products support the treatment of many diseases, experts stated that sycamore leaf is good for calcification. Stating that the sycamore leaf cure provides great benefit in reducing calcifications in every part of the body, experts pointed out that joint pain is a very common disease today. Even Professor Dr. Ibrahim Saraçoğlu emphasizes the importance of this plant by saying, "You will not be able to step on it when you learn the benefits of sycamore leaf," in his book of medicinal plants. Those who say that I used sycamore leaf cure expressed their satisfaction with this cure. In this video, we gave information about the benefits of sycamore leaf. What are the benefits of sycamore leaf cure? It is a cure for bones and joints. You can consume sycamore leaf tea for the pain you feel in your bones after sports or at the end of active days. In this way, your pain will subside after a short time. You can also choose the leaves of the plane tree for burns on your skin. Thanks to the leaves, cell formation will accelerate and burns will heal. You can eliminate the edema problem that occurs after a heavy meal or after days of inactivity with plane tree leaves. It is one of the edema-removing plants. It nourishes your hair follicles to the deepest depth and eliminates dandruff in your hair. When you wash your hair with sycamore leaf juice, dandruff and itching will disappear. Sycamore leaf tea benefits that attract attention for women will help in your personal hygiene. It is especially effective in eliminating vaginal discharge. Sycamore leaves collected from the branch and dried in the sun can be consumed to eliminate knee problems such as calcification and rheumatism. Sycamore tree leaf will be a healthy solution in treatments such as neck hernia that occurs in desk or sedentary workers. To minimize the effects of psoriasis, the psoriasis area is cleaned with the water in which the plane tree leaves are boiled. Thus, the results of psoriasis are eliminated over time. With its ability to balance stomach acids, it is also known to alleviate nausea. When you massage your painful area with sycamore leaf oil, you will accelerate the blood circulation in that area and eliminate the pain. At the same time, it is possible to remove the stains on the skin through the same massage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.